Hi, hey, it's Eric Crosswinery, and spring is here. It's on its way. Buds are pushing, and we're trying to protect these little vines by driving air during below freezing temperatures, and that'll save those little shoots when they're so susceptible. And the counties put their traps out, trying to monitor what kind of bugs are out there, make sure they're really bad guys. And then we have clusters developing, and you can see the push right here. And each one of these will become a 6-foot shoot and 2 clusters. In fact, you can see a baby cluster right there that'll turn into wine. And guess who enjoys that the most? You. So come on in and see what's going on in 2019.